Hey everybody, hope all y'all are doing well. Hope you're having a great week. It's Wednesday, time to go over all my option plays and see what kind of trouble I got into this week. I'll save the trouble for, I'm going to go from good to worst here. In the beginning, I always like to go over the positions that I have long stock in. Or I've been assigned or things of that nature. And then we go over the individual options, which will include some of these. But I like to just explain the long positions. So first one up is the rocket position. Way back in February. That seems like so long ago, but it's only been 5 months. About 140. I bought 100, and then I averaged down a little bit. So I got 140 shares with an average price of $20.12. Now I like to use this example here because this is kind of what options can do for you, right? If I were to just buy and hold from February 11th, 140 shares, if you look here at stock profits, I'd be down $421.40. But since February, we've sold a combination of covered calls, cash secured puts. We got the special dividend. We bought a leap and profited off a leap. And so that has offset the stock price loss. So total profit on this position in 5 months is $461.21. It's not that great, but it's not a losing position if I were just a buy and hold investor. So if you add it all up, all the calls and puts, I have a rough stock cost basis of $15.19. And recently, I have, on July 12th, I actually have, some of you have been following, I have 2 puts open at $17, expires July 30th. I'm not decided whether I'll let those get assigned to me at 17 if it gets there, or if I'll roll it. You'll just have to stay tuned there. But I also opened on the 12th. I opened a 16 put strike expiring August 20th. Collected 52 cents on that one. So we'll play with it, and we're just going to try to keep squeezing profits out of Rocket. Next up, SoFi. July 9th, last Friday, I got assigned 300 shares of SoFi at $18.50. Currently trading at $16. So how did I get into this? Well, I sold a credit spread, and I ended up buying back the long put that I bought. And I profited $139.05 on that, and then I let the $18.50 short expire and get assigned. So there was a $268.91 realized profit on that. And then what else do I got here? Oh, I also have a $17.50 put that expires this Friday at $17.50. So another one. I don't know if I'll let this get assigned or I'll roll this out. Again, stay tuned for that. But on Friday, July 9th, before I was assigned these shares, I pre-sold a strike of $18.50, 3 covered calls, with a July 30th expiration, collected 58 cents on that. So currently, down $750 in stock profits, but we've collected $640.45 in premium. We'll see whether I, let some stuff get assigned and get this average price down a little bit. It depends on what they do. $16. I think it's a good entry point. 15 would be even nicer. So we'll see how it goes. But I also have another one that's coming up this Friday that might get assigned as well. And like I said, stay tuned for that one for next week. And like I said, I'm going to save the worst for last, and that's AHT. I bought this one. I thought it would have been more of a reopening play. If you're not familiar with AHT, it's a hotel REIT. They own, pretty high quality hotels, and a lot of them. But management apparently is not very good. If you was following me, they did a reverse split, and so you're going to get one share for every 10. That's going to increase the share price, but typically, sometimes it works, but more likely it doesn't work. So I ended up buying 200 more shares today. So I own 500 shares currently at an average price of $3.43. And then I'm going to have these 5 puts put to me at $5. So I'm going to end up with 1,000 shares at about, I want to say, I should have done the math, but it's about a $4.30 average price. And then hopefully when they split, that the option contracts, the strikes get a little bit better, and I'll be able to sell some calls. We'll see. But if not, I'm going to be a bag holder here for quite a while. This says cash on cash 4.19%, but that's not taken into account that I'm going to be buying 500 shares at $5 a piece. So it's going to be kind of ugly. I think I'll be down like 40%. But we'll play it by ear, probably even 50. We'll see. We'll play it by ear. We'll hold this one. We'll bag hold it. This is in the Roth IRA, and I'm not extremely concerned about it because the Roth IRA is just not my preferred investment account anyway. So that takes care of the longs. Now let's get over to the options tracker, and we'll look at things that we opened. Let's look at things that we closed first. We'll sort that, and we'll go down from July 7th right there. So July 7th, we had a little bit of pressure in the market, and I started taking a lot of stuff off. I'm having an issue personally. As I'm growing my account, I'm having trouble scaling. And what I mean by that is that maybe I'm getting nervous that as the account gets bigger, that I want to be more safer, I guess is what I'm saying. Because before, back in December, January, February, I was running 50-60% buying power used, right? And now I'm finding myself in the last couple of months running 24 to 30. If I get over 30, I get a little bit antsy and want to take stuff off, and that's where I am now. I don't know. It's probably just a mental break that I need to break through, and we'll see. Either way, I'm still making money, and but the thought is, if you grow your account, you should be able to make more money, right? So I'm not there yet. So on Wednesday, there was pressure in the market, and I got out a bunch of stuff to relieve margin impact. And I got out of, I had the day before, I had got out of John Deere put that I had on for $3.10. Closed it for 50 cents, made $6.48 for a 1-day hold. I got out of IWM for 91 cents, made $26.72 on that, 15 days. My Rocket, I got out of a Rocket put that had a 17 strike for 33 cents, made $38.84 in 19 days. The John Deere call, I got out for 50 cents, profited $13.48 in 20 days. But like I said, especially this John Deere one, that freed up quite a bit of margin impact. I think that was like $3,500. So That was my thoughts when I was closing all these down. QILD, I bought back 5 cents, profited $33.16 in 33 days. And Camping World, I bought back 20 cents, profited $49.28 for 35 days. Now here's that SoFi stuff mess. This was a bought put that I bought back, or no, I had sold it, right? If you buy a put, you'd have to sell it to profit. So I profited $139.05 there in 10 days. And this is the assigned put that I let expire and get assigned. So the realized profit was the whole thing of $268.91 in 11 days. And then that same day I sold, I bought back an Ollie, which is Ollie's bargain outlet. Exited that one for 60 cents, profited $39.58 in 11 days. Exited my Penn National Gaming for 45 cents, profited $54.48 in 31 days. And then Tuesday, I didn't do anything. Monday or Tuesday. That's odd. Oh no, sorry. Today is Tuesday. Jeez. Monday I didn't do anything. Tuesday I closed out a Wish. $10 put for 35 cents, made $39.25 in 18 days. Closed out an ARK K for 75 cents, profited $71.67 in 19 days. And then I closed out Tilray, 25 cents, $29.72 profit in 21 days. So those were all the closes from July 7th to July 13th. Now opening, let's check out what I opened. It wasn't as much. So we go from here to here. So we'll start from the bottom. I opened another IWM 200 strike, collected $1.55 premium, and that was a 44-day DTE. Rocket, there's that Rocket put, 17. I sold 2 of them. It's a 43-day hold. SoFi, those are those calls I sold, 3 of them at 18.50 strike, collected 173.13. This one I didn't mention. I bought 2 leaps on Viatris. That's ticker symbol VTRS. I had a strike of $15, and I bought 2 of them for $3.10 each. So we got paid actually to buy those 2. That's funny. I'm just waiting. It's a leap. I'm not going to PMCC it. It's a 2-year leap. Not quite 2 years actually. January 2023. Just waiting for a turnaround on Viatris, and I'll sell those and turn it around for a profit. Monday, I sold Campbell Soup. Strike price $44. Collected 50 cents on 2 contracts. And then Rocket, we did that another put. 16 strike. 39-day expiration. Collected 52 cents on that one. And then today, Tuesday, I sold a GDXJ. That's the Gold Miners, Junior Gold Miners ETF. Had a strike price of $42. Collected 62 cents on each of those for 2 contracts. And then in my Roth IRA where AHT is held, I sold 1 contract of Wish at a $9 strike out to 820, which is 38 days, and collected 50 cents on that one. And last but not least was my ARK K. I sold an ARK K today at a 105 strike, collected $1.20, and that's a 38-day hold. So all in, premium cooking, we got $848 of premium cooking for the rest of July, and we're up to $2,362.48 for premium cooking in August. So all in all for the week, oops, I didn't change the dates here, but this is from 7/7 to 713. I closed 13 contracts for realized profit of 773.87, and then I opened 8 contracts for a premium of $912.44. So I've been, like I said, I've been really light. That down day really probably caused me not to put so much stuff on, which is opposite of what I should be doing. So I think it's just a mental block. It could be because, I mean, we're at all-time highs, right? I'm expecting that downside here, but it'll probably never come, and I probably am wasting time not putting things on and being really safe, but time will tell. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. That's everything I did for the week. If you got any comments, concerns, questions, leave them down below. Like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And you guys have a great week. Thank you. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.